Hey guys, this is Bye Money and welcome to my live trading journal where I scalp only one single instrument, the E-mini futures, using only one single setup, the two-legged pullback. The two-legged pullback is based purely on price action. And before I go into my live trades, I want to give you guys a quick update. Woo-wee! I have been so busy. Been so busy. Been working day and night to finish up this range indicator that automatically finds and identifies ranges using pure price action. And so this range indicator does not find ranges based on lagged information, but uses information given to us right now immediately by the price action given to us. And so I am very excited to hopefully release this indicator to you guys soon. But before doing that, have to make sure to test it out, to do a bunch of testing, and to use it personally, field test it on my own. And I definitely do not want to release anything that I personally will not feel comfortable using. And so this range indicator identifies ranges using price action, and it can be used in conjunction with the two-legged pullback. For instance, for those who do not know what a two-legged pullback is, simply it is a pattern that looks like this. We call this the first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and we like to enter into second entry right here. And this is where we like to enter. We like to find this set up in key areas. This can also be identified by an A, B, C pattern, and the next A leg, or the second entry, which is right here, we like to enter into. And so we like to find this price action pattern in key areas such as moving averages, channels, trend lines, and support resistance levels. And ranges give us support and resistance levels, such as if I grab this two-legged pullback and I place it right here, you can see as it's near the top of this trading range, this red line marked by the range indicator, we can see that it's good for a scalp. And we can see this anytime that it is close to the top of the trading range. We can also see it here. We can also see it scalp right here on a small two-legged pullback right here. And we see as we are close to the top of the trading range that we're able to scalp out a point on this range using the range indicator here. We can also use this and find a two-legged pullback using the range indicator, and where we're near the bottom of the range indicator, and also the 20 EMA. This is a very good setup with a very good signal bar. Well, actually the signal bar is one before, but this would be the entry bar, and I'll probably go in with a small retracement right there if that's how the trigger bar completes. But regardless, as you are near the bottom of the trading range, we can find a two-legged pullback, and we're good for a scalp right there. And so with the range indicator, along with the two-legged pullback indicator, it could be a powerful combination to find good setups. You know, the market is really only in two cycles. Either it's in a range or it's trending. And so if you can identify one of the two cycles, then it's very easy to identify the other one. And the reason why that's important is because the way you trade trading ranges and trends is almost opposite of each other. In ranges, you want to buy low, sell high, and in trends, you actually want to buy high, sell low, and thinking the trend will continue. And so, the market cycle greatly affects how you trade, and so hopefully the range indicator will be helpful in trading using price action. And so, hopefully we can get this out to you guys as soon as possible, but like I said, I want to fully field test it and make sure it's in a place where I feel comfortable using it, and hopefully it will be good for anyone else who is interested in the two-legged pullback range indicator. Alright, that's enough about the current developments, and that's also why I haven't been able to release a couple videos, but in this video stick around and you can see some live trades using the two-legged pullback and live commentary as well. And if this content is helpful for you guys, make sure you hit the like button and give a sub. That helps this channel greatly and helps me out greatly as well. So appreciate the support for anyone who is able to do that. And yeah, enjoy. And as always, happy trading and God bless.
Two-legged pullback, A, B, C. Downtrend. Runner got stopped out. So yeah, there's a two-legged pullback here. A, B, C. Broke below. Small trading range, but enough to make a point here. And off the 20 MA. Plus downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. And we basically have been going a downtrend and continuing. Tested twice, basically had a triple top here. Tested 3 times and then came back down. We were at the same point, the bottom of this trading range. Peaking above it, looking above it. Looking for H4 failure here to the bottom of this trading range. Looking to go short here. It's an H4 failure because you see a trap with the 4 here. That means the next reversal is a good entry at key area. Right now it's at the bottom of this trading range, as you can see here. Terrible signal bar. Difficult for me to enter into there, but high chance it does reverse. It will give you a point. The H4. H4 failure essentially is just two-legged pullbacks in a row. Here's one two-legged pullback. The second entry. That one fails, obviously. And then there's another two-legged pullback. This signal bar is pretty bad. I'm coming in with this retracement. Anywhere is honestly fine. Most likely we'll make a point here. I mean, any retracement, but honestly, I can even extend this down if I were to think that we're going to hit the point here. But I'll scalp out with a point, keep my runner. Okay, my runner stopped out, obviously. But yeah, I came with a retracement because I had confidence that this would probably just make a point, but if it retraces, even more chance to make a point. And so that was the retracement right there. Gave me a nice retracement actually right off the bat. Able to scalp out easy. But most likely will make a point on its own, to be honest. So I might consider to even just go short here, scalp this one out twice. Hitting your heads at the bottom of this trading range, and it does give you enough for a point on its own. So I could have just held that and got extra profit there, but I'm just trying to scalp out here. So that does give you enough for an entire point on its own without the retracement as well. But that's just how confident I was that it was going to make a point on its own. So if I can get it with any type of retracement, then it's just more of a discount for me in a sense. H4 failure, key entry point, top of this channel, plus retesting the bottom of this trading range, as you can see here, created by the trading range indicator that I've been so diligently working on for you guys. And yeah, came back up to retest it in a strong bear bar, and now let's see what happens. We're kind of waiting to see what the market's deciding, but we wanted just to get a scalp, quick scalp, and that was a high probability scalp there with the H4. I might be interested in the lower high here. Lower high, the uptrend. And I'll take this. Enough room to the 20 EMA. Just make sure I don't get caught. Small retracement. I might be quick to change my direction here, but we'll see. It's just enough room to the bottom of this. With enough room to 20 EMA, I just feel like there's enough room to scalp out here. Just a scalp. Actually, I will go ahead and put all 5 here for the scalp. Uptrend might be a little too strong. I might have trapped myself here. If this hits, we're thinking testing the top of this trading range. Let's focus a little bit here. The fact that I still haven't scalped out makes me already think this was a mistake, but maybe I'll skunk this. Micro double top at the moment. I might skunk this if this goes around like 2-3 ticks. I'll move my stop 1 tick below my entry and see if I could just skunk out or make my point. I'm just thinking after H4 failure, double test here, double top. The only thing is, with a lower high, but the only thing is we were still in an uptrend, so this could bite me in the butt here. Keep my 4-point stop loss. Okay, confusion causing trading range at the moment. I might just pop out here. Triple top. Guess what we're hitting? We're hitting this trading range here. We keep hitting this. If we go back into it, we might test the top of the trading range. That's why I might flip my position here. Should I reverse my position here is the question. Okay. I'm gonna skunk it. I just skunked my trade. Could have stayed in and got my point, but did not like that. But yeah, the lower high, triple top. I should have been more patient and waited for this trend line to break before going short again here. Yeah, but yeah, just we're hitting here, so skunk that trade. It's okay. It's all good. I don't mind skunking.